right, welcome to the next segment of the MyNASA data training. In this particular segment, we're going to look at ways that you can introduce the lesson to your students. So these are actually ideas and slides that are similar to the slides that you might want to actually use with your students. The scenario of the solar cell availability lesson is that the student has become a rock star but has to do the touring in a solar powered RV. So the problem addressed by the student is, where are we going to live? So this one way to approach the lesson is, let's talk about solar energy. What kinds of vehicles are powered by solar energy? So that's one way to introduce the lesson. A second way to introduce the lesson is, where are we going to go? If we're in a solar powered vehicle, where can we go? And you can approach it from the geography standpoint. You can approach it from the viewpoint of, where is there most likely to be solar energy? So there are a couple of ways that you can approach it using the geography, latitude and longitude approach. This is Google Earth, which most students are using now. All right, then you can also approach it from the science point of view. So let's take just a minute to talk about the science. This particular diagram shows the Earth's energy budget. The portion of the energy budget that is the focus of the lesson we're talking about today, solar cell, is the shortwave radiation. But your students may want to know, well, what is all the red arrow over here? What does that mean? And the red, notice it's going out. The red is the infrared heat going out. Now, in a perfectly balanced energy budget, the incoming radiation would equal the outgoing energy. That is, the incoming energy would equal the outgoing energy. And there are some other variables, but for the most part, the concern right now is data said that the incoming is slightly more than the outgoing, and that the Earth is warming a bit.